about that at 12:10, which was about here. Once we retested the 5-day, right, we got to where the QQQ 5-day moving average was at that 664, right? So we talked about that as well. And so if you manage to hold your runners, and there is a skill to holding your runners here, right? And once again, understanding this pink, because this pink will give you a very beautiful entry of that 5-day moving average here as well. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful trade, especially with that. Now, there are some very important techniques here that I will share in another training video with the links below to the Patreon site. There are free resources in the Patreon site, so don't think that you have to pay for something. You can always download the free resources. They will be helpful to you. One of them will be an explanation of this particular trade. I will upload it tomorrow on Sunday. If you see this on Saturday, I will upload it on Sunday. So there are very important technical analysis right here that will break it down in that video. So please do check it out. It's important that you do because I've been having some issues with YouTube. So I have to split my videos between YouTube and Patreon, but they are still available absolutely for free. You just have to join. So please do so if you want more information here. As much as you see all these green, right, I want to be very, well, in a way, nagging you to remind you of some very important technical indicators right here. Now, we finally retested the bottom Bollinger here. It's been a while, right? Apart from this, right, which was, as you can see, I will show you this later. Now, once we retest the bottom Bollinger, it became always something very exciting for us. And you see the last time we did that was in April. Now, there is a similarity here between this retest here, because this retest happened once we had a rejection from the 5-day crossing below the 20-day moving average. Now, there's something here I want you to remember, because this didn't happen only once. The 5-day was already trending below the 20-day moving average. So the fact that it retested the 20-day moving average again and was rejected here and let it down to another lap below to the bottom Bollinger. Now, obviously, we all knew this was because of a negative catalyst due to the tariffs. And there is a very important indicator here as well, which was the 200-day moving average. Now, I want you to remember this because this is very important. I will track back to this shortly. But I want you to just remember 5-day crossing below 20-day and rejecting it thereafter, retesting the bottom Bollinger.